McGuinness, and I'm a clinical data analyst at Bainbridge Health. So we all know that data has tremendous value in terms of giving us the insight we need to make decisions and to take action towards our safety goals. But one thing we don't talk about quite as often is how we're actually defining those goals in the first place, and are we doing so in a meaningful way? So for example, library compliance is one statistic that we hear a lot about in the pump space. It's certainly important to measure library compliance, but it doesn't always tell the full story. So let's say that you have 95% compliance. Is that really that much better than having, say, 80% compliance if it means that clinicians are going to be overriding 9 out of 10 alerts that they get? So if that's the situation, then the question sort of becomes, why is the override rate so high? Is it because clinicians are making programming errors, but they're overriding them due to alert fatigue? Or is it that the programming is intentional, but the library just wasn't built to be consistent with the practices? And if it's the latter case, then is it the practice that needs to change, or do we need to better optimize our library? And the answer to that question is it depends, right? It depends a lot, completely on the hospital, the drug, the clinical context at hand, and it can certainly be a really challenging problem to address. But if you dig a little bit deeper into the data, oftentimes you can better define what your goals are and how you can get there.